this way of taking our counters. Defense does A, we do B.
Clippers have Marcellus in the starting lineup now. Just wondering what you're seeing from that group starting to take the last couple of days, Frank, and how that could change that bit of ball.
With their starting lineup,
I guess both.
Well, he's a great player, so it was a great addition by them. I think they were starting Marcellus before, so they're a little bit bigger now in terms of we still have great size, and Kawhi and PG together, we know when they're full strength, they're going to be a really strong opponent.
Just with all the star power, is there anything that stands out matchup-wise to you as a key in this Lakers Clippers?
Matchup-wise, there's a lot of switching in today's NBA. So guys are going to be matchup on different guys at certain times. You saw the other night, it's going to be AD matchup with Giannis, and a lot of them spending minutes on than AD. I'm sure we'll see some variety in the matchups now as well.
How do you think you guys they scramble up for shit when somebody gets open motion, people can kind of close the gap and contest?
How are we growing it?
Basically, have you gotten better at contesting the shots that seem open at first, but a guy makes an effort?
Yeah, we put emphasis on getting the hands up on everything. We did a better job with Giannis the other night, without over-respecting his perimeter shot. But a lot of contesting the three-point line has to do with your base coverage. Keep your base coverage the way we want it. We're going to stay out of rotations, as much as possible. And if you're minimizing rotations, you're closer to shooters. So it starts there, and then obviously, when the guys get to the three-point line, that runs.
Breaking your ideal role, do you want to see a Lakers Clippers playoff?
It's unimportant to me. In terms of who we play in the playoffs is unimportant. We're competing to win a championship, and however the bracket ends up, wherever we end up facing, it's unimportant. Just want to keep competing.
In your game prep, how different do the Clippers look now? The guys they've had in
I just think they're more complete. They're playing their best basketball of the season right now. They're fully healthy. They've made their additions with Reggie and with Marcus, and when they're at full strength, they're one of the best teams in the league, and they're showing that with how they played the last 6 games. So I just think they're more whole than what we saw earlier in the season.
Do you guys talk about
that both teams have? What do you think some of those late season additions for both teams to be going to play that way?
Well, when you get into the deep playoff races, the playoff series, the more weapons you have in your arsenal, the better. Sometimes those guys are used at a high level in those series based on a matchup or whatever. Sometimes they're not used much at all. And I just think both teams, or any team that has a real chance of competing for a championship wants to add as many tools and as many weapons as possible.
The other day, LeBron said that he's not who doesn't care about games he does care about seeing the best player in the world. Do you see the distinction that's what I was trying to do there?
I just think he wants to be great. And he really I admire his mindset to stay in the moment, and the big picture takes care of itself. He comes to work every day and trying to win that day. And all that stuff kind of falls into place after the fact. That's the result-oriented type of stuff, and he's not really focused on that. So. I don't know if there's real difference to answer your question. I don't know if there's a big difference in terms of trying to be the best this year in the regular season, or trying to be the best overall. He's really just trying to be the best that day.
Hey, Coach.
What do you think it means to your team, not just that he plays at this level, but to play at this level at this age, this far into this career?
What it means to the team?
Yeah.
It's given us a huge boost. It's a big reason we're at where we're at.
But in terms
Hey, Coach.
of just what they take away from that, seeing her doing it.
Well, anytime any player in your team, plays well, it improves the confidence and swag of your group. And one of your 2 best players is doing that. Obviously, you feel like you have a great chance to win every night. And like I said, it just improves your confidence.
Understanding where both teams are in the rankings and in the city, is there a statement that you guys want to send today? And if so, what's the statement?
No statement. It's not a statement game. It's a basketball game. It's the most important game of our season because it's the only one we can win today. And when we get into the playoffs, all these regular season games are not going to matter. Head-to-head matchups are not going to matter. It's about improving your habits every time you play, and this is another opportunity to test our habits, measure our habits against another great team.
Thanks.
Follow up Bill's question is it helpful for you guys as a staff to see them start to develop some of this?
Yeah, of course. You know, I mean, again, you know, the tougher the opponent, the sharper your habits have to be. You know, so it's a great test. You don't get these types of opportunities every night in the NBA. So that helps.
This is the first time you've been part of the Marcus game, Have you guys had any fun with that internally?
Yeah, I lied to my team yesterday and told them that Markieff is undefeated against his brother, and we don't want to break that streak. I have no idea what the actual record is, but I just it was a half-hearted joke. That's about it. Most of my jokes.
Thanks, guys.
Good.